Reduce your burden. Meet your daily needs with ease. Foldable wagon available in green and black color. Glides anywhere, smartly compact, ready for anything. It's equipped with 360 degrees rotating front wheels for smooth maneuverability. Has built-in organizer pockets perfect for water bottles, tools, or small gear. It's designed with extra deep storage for heavier water jugs, logs, large tools, or event gear. It's made with a heavy-duty steel frame and premium 900D Oxford fabric. Our wagon is built to handle solid and tough weight for long-term use, unlike cheaper online versions that cut corners. It has stronger and heavier frame. Reinforced steel structure equals no bending, no warping, even when fully loaded. It has thicker fabric. 900D Oxford fabric is rip-resistant, water-repellent, and fade-proof, unlike flimsy 600D or below. It's for longer life, less replacing, designed for extended use over months or years, not just one season. Strong enough from groceries to logs. It folds up compactly and comes with a dedicated carry bag. It's easy to pull, even on grass, gravel, or pavement, and sand. Has a subtle and professional look with black or green color. All made with high-quality materials, it will be with you for a long time. It has a tough build, crafted with durable fabric. It's both water-resistant and wear-proof for daily hauls or rugged terrain. It's perfect for sports practice. Outdoor haul, deco transport, market shopping and beach. It's now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide. With 30 years of experience, long-lasting performance, and the highest quality available in the market, it would be the best choice to buy modern lifestyle foldable wagon.